guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Happy Louis Vuitton Day, guys, and you know what that means. I'm going to share to you up and coming and new Louis Vuitton bag collection. Yes, so I will be providing you all the information that you need to know, from names, product codes, product feature, prices, SKU, and the launch date. All you need to do, just kindly ready your phones and laptop to take a screenshot, and for orders and availability, kindly check the website and your CA. So guys, I'm inviting you to watch until the end of our episode, and happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Looking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here, so please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. We're almost there. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Hi guys, I'm so excited to share you the new Louis Vuitton leaks that I have. So first we have the Nano Speedy. So guys, this is from the Spring Capsule Collection. So for the prices, SKU, and launch date, please do stand by. So again guys, these are just leaks, so I have not much photos, but once I have them, then definitely I will be creating a separate vlog. So the Nano Speedy, the material is the monogram denim, which I love because it comes with the flower print. So later we are going to show more. So next we have the Nail NM. So from the Denim Collection, material is the monogram denim. It comes with the cowhide leather trims, detachable leather strap, and leather top handle as well. So this is the close-up view of the denim material. I love the print, guys. So also it comes in silver hardware as well. Next, on the new Denim Collection, so if you are looking for a bum bag, so check out the Rush bum bag. Just look how beautiful the contrast of the print is, and I love that it is very random. So as you can see, we have the different color of LV, then of course we have the Louis Vuitton flower. So this is the classic Rush bum bag. It comes also with untreated leather vachetta trims. Then guys, we have the Posh Toilette Supple or Soft. Again, I'm not really sure if that is the official name, but then again, so same material. So this is the close-up view. So the base or the bottom part of the toiletry pouch is in the monogram denim, and then it comes with untreated cowhide leather trims. So of course it comes with the classic print of the LV design. Next, on the Denim Collection, this one I feel would be very popular. So we have the Hobo Shoulder Bag, not the official name. So from still the same collection of the denim launch for the Spring Capsule Collection. What I love about the Hobo Shoulder, as you can see, the size, I believe, would be perfect for everyday. Then of course the slouchy design, of course it comes with a shoulder strap. Then we have the Christopher backpack. So a very beautiful backpack. So I feel that this is going to be very hard wearing because of the denim material. Then of course it comes with the untreated leather vachetta trims, as we could see here. Then of course it comes with the side pockets, and of course it is a drawstring closure, very beautiful, with adjustable backpack strap, of course. Next, we have some SLGs. So first, we have this very beautiful key clay or key pouch. So still from the Denim Collection of the Spring Capsule Collection. Materials, the monogram denim with cowhide leather trims. It comes of course with the silver hardware, and we are going to see the spring flower at the middle part of the key clay or key pouch. How beautiful and how mindful the design is. Then we have another SLG. We have the passport cover. So Denim Collection, same material, the monogram denim, and then of course the inside part would be the cowhide leather trim, still part of the capsule collection for the spring. So this one, as you can see, very beautiful. So I'm guessing the launch of this one will be around February to March. Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code Ramiro5. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material collar, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now guys to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you guys! Alright, so next on the collection, let us check out some ready-to-wear pieces. So these is actually a pair. So first we have the denim button down from the Spring Capsule collection. First we have the button down here in the material of monogram denim. Of course, I feel that it would come with a little piece of cowhide leather trims. As you can see, very, very beautiful. Next, we have the denim pants from the same collection. So this is the other piece. So the denim pants would have the monogram denim as the main material. Then I believe, of course, the back side, it would come with this very small piece of the cowhide leather trims. Of course, as you can see, it comes in silver hardware, and close up, we're going to see the very beautiful Louis Vuitton monogram. So definitely, if you're a fan of the denim and then the monogram, then definitely this is a classic piece for you. Then we have the still from the same collection, but this time they're going to use, I feel, is a calfskin printed leather with cowhide leather trims. First, we have the card holder over here. So as you're going to see, so it comes, of course, it doesn't have like the entirety of the LV monogram, so it's a little bit understated. It's like if you are not familiar, then definitely you would not know that this is an LV piece. As you can see, like for example, the LV logo is like covered with the spring flower, which is so beautiful. Then we have, of course, that's why I feel that this material could either be a calfskin leather, but then again, it could also be a coated canvas. So what do you think of this Spring Capsule collection, guys? Would you say yes? So we have some more pieces. So we have the Louis Vuitton belts. Let's start with the bottom part. The bottom part would be the monogram denim, and then of course, like this one with silver hardware, as you could see. And then the middle part would be what I feel is the calfskin printed leather material over here. But with this one, I could see this is a monogram canvas. I could see the monogram print. So next on the collection, so this is another collection, the watering can bag, not the official name, but part of the Spring Capsule collection. How beautiful this one is, but I feel this is going to be a little or micro bag. Then as you can see, I love the watering can design. It has the zipper, then of course the classic watering can details with detachable leather straps, so you could wear this one as a shoulder bag or even as a crossbody. Definitely I would say yes to that one if I have the coins. Then next we have, next collection would be the new Tigorama collection. So for the launch and prices, please do stand by. So this one we have a kipa in this very beautiful like neon green colorway. So of course it comes with the classic keepall design, detachable leather strap and bag tag. And then this one, guys, kindly comment down below what is the name of this toiletry pouch. I'm kind of blanking out. So anyways, the material is monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims. It would come with detachable canvas strap, which is color black. And this collection would come with silver hardware as well. Very beautiful. I feel that this collection, Cassie Thorpe would definitely love it because she loves this like neon green colorway. Then we have the toiletry pouch. So this one, as you can see, what I love about this material would be the off-white coated canvas, as you can see. Then of course it would come with cowhide leather vachetta trim. So what do you think of this toiletry pouch? Kindly comment down below. So next on the collection, so we have the Louis Vuitton backpack, again not the official name. So if you know the name of this one, guys, please do comment down below. So what I'm seeing here, it comes with two material. The top part, it would be the calfskin leather or cowhide leather. Then of course it comes with the monogram canvas and the pocket detail as well. So this one, very good for travel, very good for everyday. Next, guys, let's talk about some accessories. So we have next is the Louis V. So the material, as you can see here, so this is a Louis Vuitton plush. So it is a Louis Vuitton bear in a bee outfit, which is super cute. As you know, with the advent of Pop Mart and Labubu, definitely this one would be such a collector's piece as well. But of course, it would be much more expensive than my Labubus. So next we have Louis Vuitton bear cricket. but there is a Louis Vuitton plush. So this is a Louis Vuitton bear in a cricket sports outfit. As you can see, I love the top hat with the LV detail. I love the cricket racket that Louis Bear is holding. What do you think of this one? Hopefully they're going to make a vinyl face just like the classic Labubu. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? Which of the Louis Vuitton bag is your favorite? Kindly comment down below. I would love to hear your opinion on the new collection. Also, if you have stayed until this part of this vlog, kindly leave me a bag emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's @Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!